I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
Yes.
And I always want to come to Taiwan. October this year, Taiwan opened up. So I booked the ticket right away, and I arrived on the second day that they opened the border.
Wow, you wanted to come back that urgent.
Yes, it was so much fun.
Why should we come to Taiwan for
Number
bike
one,
riding?
I want to tell my friends in Canada and in the States,
Yep.
coming to Taiwan is not that expensive. In fact, it's very cheap.
And what's the second one?
And
The thing is, it's so easy to ride in Taiwan because I don't even have to bring my bike. All I have to do is to go online. I use Giant. And then I book online and tell them which city I want to pick up the bike,
Right.
and then when, and then I can pick up the bike right away with tours and 2 panniers. So
Oh.
everything is set to go.
oh, Giant, the brand.
Yes,
The brand.
it's so easy. And the thing is, if you want to tune up the bike to repair minor stuff, you can visit any other shops around the city.
Wow.
There's so many of them, so it's very easy to get help. So it's very easy.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna give you a secret. I've been to those Giant shops and Merida shops
Yes.
without riding one of their brands, and they just fixed my bike
They still
without
do.
charging me anything.
They're so nice.
They're super nice. Taiwanese
that's
people
gonna
will help
change
you. They
now.
will never turn you down.
That's probably going to be a policy change after this episode airs. But
Pineapple party.
Number 3, it was if you enjoy warm bed at night, good sleep, and good food, Taiwan is a good place to come because it's very easy to get food.
Totally.
Even though I spend all my money in 7-Eleven,
Yeah.
I don't like good food, but I think you guys will have good food every night, right? And sometimes you get to the point, there are areas that you can enjoy hot springs too.
Yes.
It's especially soothing. Maybe you guys have experience with good accommodation?
Yeah, I think 𝙏𝙖 is one of my favorite hot spring areas because of how hidden inside the mountains it is.
yeah,
And
that's
it's one of the
nice.
hot springs where when you arrive there, no matter if it was by car or by bike, you will be exhausted and you'll be happy in that hot spring.
Yes.
It's such a long drive from any other big city.
Let's see someone with the map.
yeah, KK, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 2016, I came to Taiwan with no idea what it is like.
Yep.
And so I got this map from my neighbor and start doing all this planning. It was antique now.
Oh,
They-
2016 antique.
The government doesn't even print out this, but it has all the major roads.
Yeah.
So I was following this and that. But right now it's different. I have something new.
Okay.
Something new.
Something new on the...
This is something new on. This is yours?
Yes. I think for a lot of foreigners who have never been to Taiwan, it's very hard to understand what Taiwan is. So I come up with an idea to explain to my friends.
Okay.
Taiwan is in Asia, and it is an island. So immediately they think it is an island with one person. How can I spend 3 weeks in an island?
Tiny island.
Right.
We only fish.
Right. But Taiwan is actually a big country
Yep.
with 24 million people.
Yep.
It is ranked 57 in the world most populated country.
Right.
If you like hiking, there's 268 mountain peak that is above 3,000 meters.
Wow.
So it's a big country, but still it's very hard for people to understand how to organize their trip.
Right.
So I come up with a clock. I put all the numbers just like a clock with major city of Taiwan in the location.
Wow.
Just like 12 o'clock is the north, I just put Taipei, which is not really true, but with the idea there.
Yeah.
And then between 2 numbers, there's about 100 kilometers. If you're first to cycle in Taiwan, you may want to do from 1 to 2 in one day, 2 to 3 in another day.
Okay.
And the good thing about this is if you want to skip or you have typhoon on the East Coast, and then you don't want to do 4, 3, 2, 1, you can take the train from 5 all the way to 12. And then the most difficult ride begins from 3.
Okay.
And your ride is from 12 to 6.
Yep.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
So I think if you have this idea where you are, and then you can look at the real map of Taiwan
Right.
with all this.
This is such a clever
This is
infographic.
Super smart.
Yeah. Yeah. Even I get it.
You can be the ambassador of Taiwan now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.